the Tippmann. Oh, it's cockeyed. The target. I have to go down there and straighten it out. Give me a minute. Let me put a few more rounds in here. I'm using the 10 round ones. I got the 25 round ones too. I've been using these. You know what? I'm too lazy to go down there. Change the target, so I'm just going to sit here and shoot it with the red dot. I'll do whatever it takes, 10 or 11. I think I got one more left. Maybe one more. Let's see what happens. I felt it open up on that one. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's walk down there and see where we're hitting. Oh well. It looks like we're kicking ass today. A little bit on the high side. Let's walk it down. I'll make sure we had it on paper. Let's walk it down to 20 yards. Okay. Now, right out to 20 yards. And I forgot to reload. Oh well. You're gonna watch me reload then. No, the Tippmann's a very good rifle. I did a lot of modifications to it already. You know, I shoot left-handed, so everything has to be changed around. We got a SIG red dot on it. I'm using these 10 round magazines. I got the 25 round ones. They seem to be okay. I have this one, and I also have the pistol. I don't know which ones you're going to see first, but we're going to shoot this one now. We shot it at 10 yards, and we got it sighted. It's a little bit high at 10. We're going to see how it is at 20, and then I'll take it out to 25 and see how we're doing with all that. Make sure it's working. So far, no problems. We're shooting CCIs out of it. I don't think there should be any problems with CCIs. I think I got 10 in there now. Okay. I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to take a 3-shot group. And then, what you call it. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. We'll go down there and check it out. Let's just see how it is. Did a 3-shot group. Take my pan with me. All right. Is it that high up? Sweet Mother of Mary. I think we're going to have to lower it some. All right. We got it. We got it. Dead on. It's just got to come down at 20 yards. Okay. All right. I lowered it a little bit. We'll see if it comes down any. All right, let's walk down there again. See how it looks. Hopefully it went down a little bit. I see the first group. Here's the first group. There's the second group. All right. got first and second group. All right, maybe I should lower it a little bit more. Okay, I'll do that. I lowered it a little bit. Let's see what happens now. Let's go down there and check it out. Maybe it went lower. Maybe I'm way off again. We'll see. All right. It's a nice day out here. It came down a little bit. Here's the other group. Right here. That's that group. I'm going to bring it down a little bit more. See what happens. And like always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the little bell on there so you get notified when a new video comes out. And leave a comment if you like. Thanks again.